You didn't think I was gonna miss out on this, did you? Did I let y'all know, bro? I'm working mornings now. So, I wasn't supposed to work today, Friday, but I did. And yesterday I was too tired to stay up until 12 to record it and then get it uploaded by 2 or something like that. And then go to bed, sleep for about 4 hours, get up, go to work. And you know, it just wasn't it. So we're here. Oh, so let's get into it, bro. Cicadas, uploading, all that shit. Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's the boy Brush Boy back with another video, and today, that's BREEZY, that new BREEZY. It's not a feature. This is OG Parker, Chris Brown, and PnB Rock, Rain Down, featuring Lotto and Leighton Green. I don't know who Leighton Green is. Lotto, Mulatto? Probably not, because it would say Mulatto. But PnB Rock? So this is 4 people on the track. OG Parker made the track. OG Parker. You know what I'm saying? One more release. Oh, am I about to... Oh, never. That's just a clean version. Alright, bro. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. But before we do that, make sure you scroll down and subscribe. We're on the way to 400 subs. Let's get there. Welcome to June Miss Day. This isn't even part of June Miss, so let's just hop into it. Haven't heard it all day. I've been avoiding this all day so I could listen to it with y'all. OG Parker. Hold on, off the bat, it kind of threw me off. The beginning threw me off. Whatever sound that is. And then the flow threw me off. But it's Chris Brown, so it's still fire. So. Ooh! This is a sexy, sexy time song, huh? Okay. I respect it. I guess. So this is Mulatto. Alright, so if we go to Lotto, it's Mulatto. She just gonna change her name or some shit. Or they just got her like that on the spot. I don't fucking know, bro. It's Mulatto. Okay. Let's be honest, bro. We're all adults here, I hope. At least I think so. That's probably... I mean, it depends on how good of a job she does. But that might be one of the worst positions. It only feels good for them, bro. Come on now. Come on. I mean, it's a nice view, but... Whoa. Hey. Hey. PnB is fucking fire. PnB is heat. PnB rock. What other songs does he have? Does he have a song with J. Cole? Middle Child? He got a song with X, don't he? I don't know. PnB Rock is fucking hate. PnB Rock or Ty Dolla $ign. I don't know why I associate those two niggas. I would take PnB Rock. No cap. Whoa, bro. Whoa! I told you PnB was fire. He knew he was with Chris Brown, so he had to hit the vocals for him. That was heat. Jeez. Alright, let's go Leighton Green. It's a guy or girl? I guess we'll find out. It's probably a guy. Leighton. I don't know why Chris Brown always, if it's a girl feature, bro, I don't know why they all have the same cadence. I don't know. This is the first time I've ever heard of Leighton Green. But it's kind of like the type of girl that you would hear on the radio. Like, Lotto isn't, I wouldn't say a radio type of girl. Like, Leighton Green is like, you know, the black radio stations. She sounds like one of the girls that would be on the black, like LMA. Anyone else? Seven, what's her name? Let's just say Seven Streeter. And, who was the one he just did the song with? Her. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting. You feel me? Like a radio type person. I need Breezy one more time, bro. You're capping. You got 5 seconds. 3, 2. Y'all can have Breezy end it off. Who had the best verse? PnB. PnB for sure had the best verse. But we all know who sounded the best on the track. Chris Brown. He would have had the best verse if he had a verse, but he was just the chorus. And lay down on me, lay down on me. You know, add to the Sexy Time playlist. Yeah, I don't think there will be a music video for this. It doesn't sound like a type of song that would have a music video. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to Chris Brown, OG Parker, and PnB's new song, Rain Down. Rain down on me. Shit was fucking heat. But yeah, that's it. Make sure you scroll and subscribe. We're on the way to 400 subs. Let's send them out. Peace. I'm uploading, I think, maybe just four videos today. Fuck. It's the grind, you feel me?